Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. Again, enough to talk about, I think. Yesterday was a pretty big day, or at least we expected that, but in the end, let's zoom in a bit. In the end, we did not move a lot, or we did move a lot, but not as expected. I mean, if you didn't know, yesterday was the inflation rate and the CPI data, which was better than expected for crypto then. But we actually just spiked up to our previous resistance around 30,500. And from there actually got a pretty big spike down towards 29,700. And now we're kind of, we did find some bullish momentum from there. But now we're just consolidating a bit in the same areas where we were consolidating yesterday morning. So I wanted to do a full update on that. I'll give you my thoughts. I'm actually missing an indicator right now, which I'm not sure why that is, but all right then, not the double EMA. But yeah, so what we'll be doing in this video is we'll be talking about the technicals right now, what looks most likely, what are the most important levels. But then apart from that, we will also dive into some fundamentals, and then especially the dollar strength index and what that is doing. So before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. And there you'll find instructions on how to join, but also trade results. Made some nice profit again yesterday, so check that out if you do want that too. All right, so right now, I mean, purely technically, I would say there's a little bit of a magnet to this level between 29,500 and 29,250. We're displaying some bullish momentum now. We actually broke above this very, very minor key level around 30K. Actually not as strong as you might expect. But we broke above that, so altogether we look bullish. I think we'll stay in this area between 29,000 and 30,500. And at this point of time, I think the most likely scenario is that we will break above our main resistance at 30,500, 600, and to get up to our next price target around 31,500 and 31,250. To me, that looks like the most likely scenario, and that's a bit based on technicals. I mean, usually when you have a run like this, you consolidate a bit and then you get one level higher up. But apart from that, right now what you also see is that yesterday, with the inflation rate being lower than expected, the dollar strength index dropped down severely, and up until now we have been holding our previous support, which we also touched the 5th of April, so about a week ago, a bit more. But I think this downtrend is going to continue, and I don't think this level around, or the support level we're at right now, which has been holding us, I don't think that's strong enough. I think it's more likely that at some point we will break down below 101.5 and drop down to our next support level. And this is negatively correlated. So when this is bearish, Bitcoin usually is bullish. Now, I do have to say that we have not really noticed that in the last week. The last week when the dollar strength index was bearish, Bitcoin did not react to it that much, even though we did react negatively to it when it was bullish, which is not nice. But still, I think that's, I mean, the technicals combined with the fundamentals, I think are strong enough to get something like this. Now, it could be that we have to wait until Sunday for this, which is a very, very long time. But as I said, I mean, there is a chance that we'll just drop down a bit more, consolidate, and then do something like this when we usually get a lot of volatility, which, to be honest, is also from Thursday to Friday, so it could happen in the next 24 hours. But otherwise, it will be a Sunday evening, that type of stuff. But all right, that's my take on Bitcoin for right now and for today. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, take care. Thank you for watching, and bye.